Alvin, to my fellow PICQS members, PICE also, to our guest from Almusana, sir, Miss Anne, very good afternoon. Yeah, I just realized now how difficult English is. And it makes me more confused. Anyway, today I have learned a lot of things, not only me, I think everybody from Miss Anne's presentation. And we are very thankful for that. I've read about this article. There's a saying in there, mentioning about only when that you accepted or consider that about your weaknesses, then you will start becoming strong. And I'm sure today that we have accepted that it is one of our weaknesses of public speaking, about public speaking. And I'm sure that going forward, by doing this, continuing this CPD, we will become strong. Not only by our self-confidence, but as a leader or as an engineer. One of my project manager when I was just a young engineer told me that. He told me to go to a meeting, but I was afraid because I am lacking of confidence. He just told me that, why should you be afraid? Like, don't be afraid. They're just humans. They're just like you. You are eating. They're bleeding. Sometimes they're farting, just like you. So don't be afraid. And only by that, practicing. When they told you to go there, represent the company to the client and tell them about the project or answer all the things that they need to know, go there. Because they said, it is one way of saying that they are confident about your ability. So do not be afraid. And I just want to clarify that PICQS is not just for QS. It's also for other engineering degree like electrical, architecture, mechanical. So we have different route that we're going to take to. It's not only QS. So on behalf of PICE, I'm very thankful to PICQS, spearheaded by Engineer Ronald, who is unfortunately not here right now, because he is on the company family day right now. And Engineer Louis, Engineer Alvin, and the rest of the committee heads. Because of this opportunity, which we consider as our first CPE. In PICE, this is CPE. In PICQS, this is CPD, Continuing Professional Development. In PICE, Continuing Professional Education, which is one of our objectives also. And I want to say thank you again for that. Now, sorry. Speaking about that, we have three levels of, in PICQS, we have three levels of competency. Number one is the knowing. Number two is doing. Number three is doing and advising. I'm sure most of us here is doing already the number two, and the number three. But this time, this is number one, which some of us are lacking of information or knowledge about that. And this is very important for us, especially the engineers and the young ones. Anyway po, mas marami po tayong gagawin para ma-improve yung sarili natin. about public speaking. And isa na yata dyan, meron tayong gagawing mga group discussions, group studies. And ang pwede natin gawin is, do not rely on just any training like this. Use the internet. The contract itself can help us, for each project, can help us to develop the way we speak or the way we think. The same, per clause. Please refer to clause number like that. Because that itself helps us how to explain to our fellow civil engineers, fellow engineers in the project, what we are thinking. And I don't want to make it more longer. So, siguro may mali doon sa ating grammar. Medyo, kasi, baka masita tayo sa list. Anyway po, marami pong salamat at sigurado marami po tayong PIC and PICQS. Marami po tayong pagsasamahang ganitong klase ng training. So, I will say my thank you in advance to PICQS. And I will say just to the PICE members, you are very welcome to PICQS to attend the CPD. Do not be afraid. It is for our own development. Not just as an individual, but as a group. As a Filipino, OFWs outside. OFWs and outside. Parehas na. Anyway, thank you po.
And then, I agree with you. President, I agree with you. If we are in a meeting, we are lacking confidence how to speak. Pero gayahin niyo yung tekniko. Mauna ka magsalita, sisigit ka sa gitna at sa huli.